My involvement with HackForge means that sometimes I have the privilege of getting to play with some incredibly cool things. One that came by HackForge just the other day was one of these. And a lot of people don't know this, but in the 1980s, Radio Shack introduced a TRS-80 little handheld computer, and it's programmable in BASIC. So I've been playing with it. One of the things it can do is produce a beep. So I've written a basic program. Let's see here, I'll show you. So it's a very simple program that just goes through the tones the machine can do. And hopefully the microphone on this is sensitive to pick it up because the tones aren't very loud. So I switch it over to run mode. Alright, that's enough. So I've been having a lot of fun playing with this thing. Thanks for watching.